Welcome back to Startup Company. Today we're going to be investing small amounts of money into different companies so we can collect all those dividends. Our very own social media platform we call The Global ranks in at number 11 for all social media sites out there, and we're valued up to nearly $600,000 with 107,000 people registered. Yeah, I think you guys get what I mean. But guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to AP Technologies. We are the company that are creating, or we are the company behind the global social media. So we're doing pretty well. We're doing pretty well. We're over 100,000. We're doing pretty well. But today we need to do a couple of things. Now we've had the Alexander going through here, doing all of our system admin stuff, collecting all a bunch of tools. We need to come in here very quickly and come into hosting, add some instances. So we'll get an extra 500. So per instant we put in, we get 500 CU, and that's going to cost us $40 a day. Let's add 1, 2, 3. I can only get 4 in 3. Okay, 3 I can get. As you can see, we reset the system. As you can see, our maximum, yeah, we're doing pretty well. It doesn't get into the red. It's like stay in the middle. Let's fast forward the game. Let's see where the maximum is. Oh yes, we definitely need to get one more on here to make it all work very well. But guys, welcome back to Startup Company. This is our small little company that we're doing right now, which is pretty damn cool. Text ads. We need to hire a sales executive. We're going to hire a salesperson in the next episode. We're going to look at sales and all of that, growing the team and all of that jazz. But guys, welcome back to another episode. Like always, guys, can we get about 5 likes in this video? That would be greatly appreciated, guys. That would be greatly appreciated. But guys, we need to do a couple of things. I've got a list of what I really want to do in today's episode, but one of those things are, if I can think about what I'm doing, let's have a look at doing one thing first. We need to go to research. We don't need to go to production. It's called frameworks. Yes, guys, frameworks. Now, I want to get the next framework on here. We can go framework 1.0 or get the Nitrosoft platform 2005. Now, the license cost is going to be 100,000. We kind of don't have that money. We realistically don't have that money whatsoever. As you can see, today's estimate, the hosting isn't really good. It is crazy how bad it is. So we're gonna get a bunch of we've just spent a lot. We're gonna need to go back to venture no support if I know exactly where I'm going. Let's go to features. I think it's called features. Let's go to features. Can we upgrade? Need to upgrade all features. Okay, so if we're up to level 10 max, what do you mean? We gotta upgrade everything? What do you mean upgrade? You need to upgrade all features to max level before you can upgrade the framework. So if I turn, okay, wait, what are you talking about? Do I need to get these into as well? So do I need to do this? That's gonna cost me a lot of money. Why does it want me to do this? Why are you telling me that this is no good? You need to upgrade all features to max level before you can upgrade the framework. What are you talking about, game? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, game? I swear you were able to just get it going. Let's go. Let's have a look. Let's go back to frameworks. 11 for max feature will be 40. Max features 3. For me to upgrade the framework? No, I should be able to upgrade the framework straight away, shouldn't I? I swear I should be able to. Let's have a look. Let's go back to hosting. Hosting, we're doing pretty well. Okay, features. Should be able to upgrade it. Don't know why. Guys, give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. Alright, so I had a look. I'm not too sure, but we are just going to keep moving on with the video. So what we are going to do next is we're going to go back down into research. Let's go to features. We're going to unlock a text ads. That's going to be the next thing we're going to look at. Go to the global. We're going to go to features. Add the feature. It's going to be called revenue, and it's going to be text ads. Now, that's going to be pretty good. Oh, okay. Now it works. It's because I needed that extra little thing on there. That is kind of what we needed, is it? Right, yeah, I think that's what we needed. That's pretty cool. All right, time slot. No, okay, that's cool. All right, that's done. Now it looks like, yeah, there we go. We can upgrade it, but we need 60,000 to upgrade it. We don't kind of have that type of money at this stage. Negotiate at least one deal. We're going to go with the text ad. We're going to turn off this one here. We're going to go to the text ad. Oh, ooh, ooh, okay. Yeah, let's just maybe delete that for the time being, I think. think. Okay, let's keep it going. What do we need to go next? Let's have a look. What do we need? One ad. Increase maximum to 20 workstation. Okay, so I think change of plans. I think we're gonna have to change of plans, I think, and we're going to need to maybe get someone. Let's change the role to a recruiter. Let's start headhunting. We're going to need to get someone else on the team, which is a sales exec. There we go. We're going to need to negotiate some sales so we can keep moving forward in this game. So let's go. We're going to put one extra person in here. Aidan is going to do some headhunting for us. We're going to find a sales exec. There we go. Bingo. Let's keep going. New Jeets. Let's have a look. That's doing pretty well. That's doing alright. Let's have a look. We're still headhunting. 102% 5. 4,000. 4,000. 3-4. Let's have a look. 3-4. Let's go with $4,000. 4-4. Let's go with about 4-5. That's a bit too much. 4-2. Ah, nice. He kind of likes that there. So there we go. We're going to put Don in there. Aidan is going to go back into doing, not a recruiter. He's going to go back into being a really, really beautiful manager. He's going to come back into being a manager. There we go. There we go. All right. Searching for new deals. There we go. This guy is going to be doing some research, and we're going to be doing text ads on our stuff. So we're going to slowly maybe start making money. I'm not too sure if we are going to. But in terms of our hosting, yeah, we'll accept that. Yes, we'll give you the extra money. Okay, how are we going now? This is our first one at $3. Let's negotiate this deal. The globe. The website has no ad features. Okay, let's come back to features. Let's put on that text feature there. Okay, so that is good as gold. Let's come back into here. Let's negotiate the global. We're going to do text ads 12 to 12. We can't guarantee that many impressions. So let's come down to about 520. That could be pretty good. Penalty if it's not delivered. Okay, let's come over 5-6 days. Let's go over 6 days and let's negotiate that offer. I want to get up into the $10 mark, but I want to go $10. Let's go with $9 CPM. All right, so he's not that happy. Let's go down to maybe a $5 CPM. So from 34 to 25%. Let's go with the 450 CPM. Let's see what he thinks of that. 440. That is fine. All right, so we've done our first ad deal, as you can see. Oops. What am I doing? Let's have a look at what we're doing. We need to get, good job. Remember your income steady and respond to any deals that need negotiation. Have you noticed that our staff is starting to sit close to each other's? Developers hate that. Alright, so we need to get a bigger office. Go to the city map and rent a bigger office, which we are going to do very shortly. Let's not do an auto renew. We won't do an auto renewal. Let's just see how we go here. 2,000, so kind of making some money now. So this, we're making money. 1,900, pretty good. So let's come back in here, go back into venture. We're going to do another email campaign. There we go. So we're trying to get a few more people coming onto here now. Hopefully we can just keep getting people over to the platform. That's what we want. Let's go to features. We are going to upgrade to the 1.0. That's going to cost us a lot of money. Wow. Let's go back to landing page. We're going to, I didn't need to do this. I don't know why I did that, but we are going to upgrade this as much as we can. Go to 16. We're going to make sure we can go to 20. There we go. Can't do 5. Let's go as much as we can. We're up to 21 now. Comment functionality. Oh, no. Only one. Let's, in terms of this one here, that's alright. We're 76%. Can we downgrade that a little bit? Let's go upgrade to 1. There we go. Does this look a bit better? 58%. Ooh, 11, 12. Let's go back here. We'll downgrade this just down to 15, I think. Let's downgrade that just to 1 more. That will get the everything up just nicely. So, landing page is amazing, but the comment functionality not that great. Okay, yeah, we've fixed that all up. So, you guys should be nice and happy. There we go. Stats. We'll pay your bonuses. There we go. Alright, has ended. Alright, so the first contract has ended now, which is pretty cool to see. We're going to negotiate the next contract, which we're going to do this 380. What's this? What's the company? Rev TV. 380. This is doing 420. Let's negotiate the 421. I'm going to go text ads. We are going to bring this down. We are going to do this over 10 days. We're going to go about 543. 3. I think that'd be pretty good. Let's negotiate the deal here. We're going to start off with about maybe, let's go the $10 CPM. So from 100% down to that, let's go down maybe a tad. Let's go about $7. So he's about 39% happy to 27%. Let's go to about $6.10. Let's have a look. 570 is 23. Ooh, 590. 590? Good. So he's accepted the 590 deal. We are going to do auto renewal. There we go. We received a investment offer. There we go. So we got an investment offer of $62,000, which is pretty good from JH Capital. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to accept that deal right there. So they own a 5% cut, and we're actually going to be investing some of that money now. So let's have a look. In terms of social media, I think Snapchat will do pretty well. They are fluctuating a lot, aren't they ever? How's Steam going? Steam is, losing money. Well, how's YouTube going? I think YouTube is going to be one of those stocks that's just going to skyrocket, I think. Let's have a look at how much we can get in here. Let's get about 20. Can we get 20? Yeah, we can. All right, so we're going to buy 20 stocks there. Let's have a look at social media. I think Reddit is a good one to look at, I think. They're kind of going up. So let's go with Reddit. We're going to get maybe 20. Ooh, we can kind of go 50 if we could. Let's go to 50 there. 50 stocks there. Gaming platform. We've got Steam, Origin. That's pretty good. Streaming services, Netflix. Shopping platform, Amazon. Target we could do. Wish, eBay, Amazon could be one. I think Amazon has a pretty good growth there. So let's go 25,000. There we go. So we own some there. Dating platform. Tinder could be one. Bumble could be one. Tinder's got this one. Let's have a look. Tinder is going down. All right. Let's go to Bumble. Bumble is going down. Okay. Let's not worry about that. But we have invested some of our money into some of these big companies, which is pretty exciting. All right, so now we're going to start seeing some dividends coming in and all that jazz. Weekly dividends generated 7,800, meaning we can now start making money off this stuff now. So we've got 150,000 people on this platform, making us 2,800 a month, whatever it is typically, which is pretty damn cool. So we're doing pretty well, searching for new deals. We are reaching our targets and making the money coming in, which is pretty exciting. We need to grow the platform though. That is the next thing. So we're going to get this up to 10. Actually, let's just put as much as we can on there. There we go. All right, so comment functionality. Let's see how we can get this up. So we can get this up to about 13. This is up to 15 already. Let's have a look. 94%. We can kind of get this up to about 18. How does that do now? Let's do 86%. Let's get this up to 20. 83%. All right, that's pretty well. Pretty good. Pretty good, I have to say. It is pretty good. 65%, 100%. Text ads isn't the best, is it? All right, weekly dividends, 6,600 from dividends. So as you can see, dividends is coming in. All right, so in the next 30 days, we should make $96,000. As you can see, where salaries are 38,000, office rent's 3 grand. Yeah, so we kind of got to bring that money up. So if we want to get a new office in the next episode, we need to get the money coming in. If we're not making money, then it's going to be pretty hard. But as you can see, steady growth. Now we're doing some steady growth. 168,000 now. Venture is pretty good. Investment office is only 1. That is good. Email campaign is doing pretty well. How much have we spent here so far? 16,000. Let's get rid of this email campaign. All right, so that's pretty good. Features are doing pretty good. Comment functionality. There we go. 14. That is good. All right, we definitely do need to get at least another person in here. Who would we realistically need to get in here? We got 49. What do we got here? Is that 49? Or is that 49 components? We've got plenty of components. I don't think we're struggling on components. I think we realistically need to get this guy in here. So let's go to desks and let's get another lead developer in here. So in terms of this guy is system admin. Let's turn off our lead developer. No, let's turn off our service admin. Let's go to Aidan. We're going to go and change our role to being a recruiter. And we're going to get another lead developer. We're going to see who we can get into the company. In the next episode, we will hire more developers, designers, because the more of those guys we have, the better it's going to be. Now, let's see what you want, sir, madam. Let's see, 4,500 a month. Is that going to be all right? No, you want a bit more. 5,400. 400? No, you want a bit more. Okay, well, what about I give you $6,000 a month? Okay, what if I give you $5,000 with a $1,000 signing bonus? Now you want more money. No, okay. Well, I'm gonna give it to you for 6,100. Is that alright? No. What are you saying? No. Okay. Well, I should have accepted that offer before. I should have. Alright, there we go. We're gonna cancel. We're gonna change your role to being a manager. We're gonna select everything. We're gonna go to 2 beginners, 2 designers. Gonna go lead developer. Lead developer. Swear I had another lead developer. This guy here. This one here. Oh, and I need to make sure I do take a seat. Give this guy a seat down. There we go. And we should get our other lead developer in. There we go. So, Aidan is managing all these guys. These guys should start firing away. So you're doing back-end module. You're doing back-end module. Okay. So I think what this is going to allow us to do, now we've got 2 lead developers. Now these guys are going to start working. 6,600 weekly dividends. We did make a fair bit. What do we make? Made a fair bit. I can't remember how much we made, but we made like 9,000. 3,000 there. There we go. Alright. Searching for new deals now. Alright. We're going to turn that auto renewal off. We've got so many deals here. Let's have a look. What are we doing? About 600,000, right? That's no good. Let's get rid of all the million ones. Let's get rid of all the 300,000, 100, 400, 900, 700, 400. Is it 300, 100, 400? Let's have a look. So we got all the 400s here. I will sort by the maximum. 420 for 4. That could be good. These guys here, what did you do? Match.com. Got ASOS, VO, Reddit.tv, whatever that's called. Alright, let's get rid of some of you guys. And let's have a look. I think we're going to go for maybe the 420. This 960, I think we're going to go for. 960, I think we're going to go for. There we go. So we're going to do this. We are going to go here. We are growing slowly, doing pretty well. Let's go text ads. Can we do a text ad conversion rate? We kind of need to get marketing. All right. Who's doing our marketing stuff? Who's our marketer? Do we have a marketer? No, we don't. Okay. It's probably something we need to look at. So probably something we need to look at, guys. Probably something we need to look at. Let's go to functionality. I don't know what I'm talking about. 16 doing pretty well. That's doing well. Let's have a look how we're doing here. Has ended. Good. That's what we wanted to end it. Let's go negotiating this deal right here. I want to negotiate this deal down to about 700,000 over 10 days, right? Let's negotiate this deal. I want to get it as high as I possibly can. Let's go to send offer at 10 CPM for, let's go half of that, which is 8. Okay, you decided to piss off. All right, 52,000. Nah, don't kind of want you. 900,000. We can do about 700 over 10 days. Negotiate. Let's go with about this offer. 5 is left. Yeah. Oh no. Alright, well, not making any money now. Not making any money. We gotta kind of find a deal that we can work with. 1.5 million, nothing. Yeah, it looks like it's just gonna be a day of losing some money. Oh no. Let's keep finding, keep researching. We're searching for some new deals. Let's see what we can find. So we're getting a lot of these bigger campaigns in here, but Amazon Video we may take a look at. We're gonna negotiate a deal. I'm not sure what we're gonna be able to do. Let's go to the 9 CPM. Let's have a look. 5 has 780 is 48% happy. Let's go to about a 650. 33. Send offer again. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna get that deal. It's not the best deal. We had a better deal before, but hey, that is all okay. Alrighty, so doing pretty well. Alright, that's doing good. Alright, so in terms of marketing, that's doing alright. We've got no more investment offers. Support, marketing, hosting is doing pretty well. Alright, in terms of features, we want to get this up a fair bit. We need to get one more to get to level 20. Level 20 is only one more away, which is pretty exciting. Pretty damn exciting. That is pretty awesome to hear. We're doing pretty well. Alright, we're reaching that $200,000 mark. With $200,000 mark. I don't know why I said 200,000. We're reaching that 2,000 mark, which is pretty cool. And look at that, registered users. We already reached it. Guys, we're ready to reach it. Guys, make sure you do smash a like on the video. We're making 8,000 in weekly dividends, which is absolutely crazy. And if you are new and you're all the way to nearly the end of the video, make sure you go down below and click that red subscribe button so you do not miss out on any new videos of startup company. I was like, don't know what I'm saying. So you guys don't miss out on any new videos of startup company. I had no idea what I was saying there. But guys, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. In terms of everything that we've done so far, we're doing pretty well. Very very happy of what we've done. That is pretty good. Features are pretty good. Let's go here, level 20. Alright, so I think what we're going to do now is run the game, get everything up and going now, so we can get going to the next level. In terms of features, in terms of here, let's go upgrade to this about to 35, and let's upgrade this one to 4. Let's get this to about 5%. I think that would be pretty good. Let's have a look. Come on, game. Come on. I only got to go one more. There we go. 5%. That'll do. Alright, so in terms of G's, doing really well. In terms of the stocks, doing pretty well. Making good money in terms of weekly dividends. Another $8,000 in weekly dividends, which is pretty damn cool to see. We are going to turn that auto renewal off, and we're going to figure out the best offers that we can get now, which is Tinder. Tinder's got the best offer here. You have to pay cancellation fee of $9,000. That's fine. I want to go the Tinder one here. Well, we've got 800,000. Kind of want to get, I'm thinking what's this store here? Daily Motion. Let's negotiate a deal with Daily Motion, I think. Let's go to about $9.49 over the long term. So let's do that, and let's negotiate a deal with at about $8,000. $8. Why did I say that? $2.90? Really? $5.50? No. Okay. So let's with Tinder. Let's go with Tinder. Let's see if we can get a deal with them. Right. So $10. Can we get a $10 deal? $4.40 to $5.20. It's 44% happy. Let's see if we can get a $7 maybe. So we went from 10 to 7 to $6.50. 33%. 29%. $6.50. Let's go to about $6.20. I think it will take that deal. There we go. So we're with a Tinder now. Doing pretty well. Show the feature. Yeah, doing pretty well. Let's have a look at how much that is going to do for us. It does us no money. No money just yet. I got some bad news. The company is in very bad shape. The banks have decided to have declined to loan the company, and any more money we're currently unable to pay any of our expenses. Fortunately, the Johnson investor has decided to give the company at least one last investment. You have received $210,000, and the Johnson investment have increased their ownership by 10%. Messages from investors are clear. Acknowledge this is the last warning. Cut down on the expenses and increase revenue ASAP. The next time the bank goes into $0, will be forced to declare the company bankrupt. Ooh, ouchie wawa. That doesn't seem very good, guys. Doesn't it ever? Doesn't seem very good. We're gonna need to make sure we're making that money now. 3,100. We're gonna need to get our deals up and going. We're gonna need to start increasing. There we go. Not making much money. It's currently going viral now. How good was that? That's pretty damn exciting. Wow, exciting. Let's accept that offer. There we go. Doing pretty well. As you can see, from 221 to 231, 236, 237, 238. Wow, registered users. It is skyrocketing. Wow. Alright, so the more we're getting on here, that's pretty cool. We're getting close to 1 million. I think we're going to maybe redo the contract here. I think a weekly dividend, 7,000. That's pretty good. Let's have a look. I want to go back to competitors, right? So we're doing pretty good. You have to admit, we're doing pretty well, right? Acquisition. I want to have a look. In terms of global, where do I have money in? I've got money in YouTube, right? That's pretty good, right? So in terms of, I own 20. Let's get another 20 shares, I think. Or let's go 100. Can we go 100? No, let's get 20. We're going to go for another 20 shares in YouTube video sharing servers. Let's go Snapchat. We don't have anything in Snapchat. Do we have some in Reddit? Yeah, we do. Reddit's doing pretty well. Let's get maybe 100. 100. Let's go 150. Yeah, that's pretty good. Streaming service, do we have money in Netflix? No, we don't. Do we have money in Twitch? No, we don't. Twitch is going up. Netflix is going up. Let's get maybe 20. Can we get 20? Let's maybe get 50. Let's go maybe 100. 26,000. There we go. Buy some more shares in that company there. Facebook, we're not in. Let's have a look. Instagram, no. Twitter, we're not in. Snapchat, we're not in. Reddit, we are in. WeChat, we've got the global. I wish we could invest in our own company. That would be even better if we could do that. I'm telling you right now, if we could invest in our own company, that'd be pretty cool. In terms of, I think Target is one. Target is probably one we can look at. We are using this company here. Okay. let's have a look. I think Target could be a good company to look at. Let's have a look at how much we can get off this company. Maybe go 500 shares. 500 shares. Let's maybe even get 1,000 shares. Let's get 1,000. There we go. 1,000 shares. It is a company that's skyrocketing. Let's come back to the shopping platform. Go back to Amazon. We're going to buy some more shares in this company here. Gonna go with about 50 shares in the company. Ooh, I may need to sell. Let's go 3. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's go to about an 80. 80. 100. Wow. 10, 20. Let's get another 20. Wow. Stock price. Bingo. We've got to spend a lot of money on these things. But what this could mean is we could be making a fair bit of money now. So, we got Aidan's 21 years old now. Guys, I'm 21. Hey, I'm getting older. I'm getting older. Let's have a look at how we're going to go. We're going to wait for our dividends to come in next. Let's have a look. We're doing pretty well. We are growing to 50 now. Hosting is a pretty good. Reset our hosting. Yeah, pretty well. Features, we're doing alright. Let's get up to about 24 now. Let's come back to features. Let's get this one to 25. There we go. Alright, that's pretty good. Doing pretty well. We need to maybe go into research. And I think we want to unlock the furniture pack next, guys. What do you guys reckon? Comment down below. We need to get the media desks and all of that in here. But let's search for some new offers. Now, eBay has come in 1,900, which is pretty cool. We can go in here, negotiate. Yesterday we had 950, so we're closing in at that $1 million mark. The $1 million. So eBay. Netflix could be one. Netflix. Let's maybe go with the Microsoft Store 1.4. Let's negotiate with eBay first. Let's negotiate with eBay. So let's go the 1,000 impression over 10 days. Let's start off with an $8 with an 8 CPM. Let's see if that does anything. 3. Let's go to 610. Ooh, okay, so they didn't want anything to do with us. They wanted nothing to do with us. Let's have a look. The Microsoft Store. Let's see what you want to do, mate. Mate. Let's have a look. 9. Let's go to close to 1,000 over 10 days. Let's have a look what we can do. What can we negotiate? A 3, 133%, a 6, 5. No, okay. Well, mate, some of these guys don't want anything to do with me. WeChat. Let's have a look. What can you do? Let's turn you down just a little bit. There we go. What can we do? Can we get maybe like a 7 CPM? 240. Wow, that's freaking... It's starting to get really low now. Wow. Okay, what do we got? Reddit. Let's have a look what Reddit can do. We're doing pretty well. Let's go 920. In terms of, we're making money. We're not really making money, are we? So we need to be making more than $600. Okay, let's come back into here. We are currently with Reddit. We're currently negotiating with Reddit. Let's have a look. Negotiation with Reddit. Reddit. That's what we're doing. We were currently negotiating it. Let's go back. Can I go back to negotiation? Over 10 days. Like that. Like this. I don't want to accept the offer. Let's go 960. Just see. We'll try and push them up there a little bit. 780. Ooh, that's 38%. 480. Let's go maybe 5. Good. Alright, so he's accepted that offer. We're going to do auto renewal there. So hopefully we can do pretty well. Let's see. I'm kind of waiting on seeing if we can get some dividends in here. I want to see what kind of dividends we're making. That's kind of where I'm looking at. I want to see what dividends we're making, seeing if we're doing a pretty good job. You know what I mean? We've just invested a lot of money into stocks. There we go. Weekly dividends generate $19,000. That means, guys, we're making a lot of money through dividends, transactions. As you can see, dividend payout, 19,000, right? 19,000 from dividends, guys. Let's go next page. When was the last dividend contract came out? Let's go back. Yeah, a lot. So 3,800 now. We are covering our expenses. We're kind of making money now, which is really good to see, guys. But I'm gonna spend it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna leave the episode right here, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy today's video. Make sure you smash a like on the video, like always. But in the next episode, we're going to be moving offices. Yes, guys, we're going to be moving offices. We're going to get into the next office. But I just want to go one speed game. I just want to go one speed. We're going to be moving into a larger office. We're going to be growing the team as well, getting maybe 3 or 4, you know, people on one team, that team, this team, that team. Growing the team, guys. We want to start making a lot of money now. And guys, we want to start getting our features, in terms of our features, up to level 40. That's where we want to get to, so then we can make a lot of money. And what do you guys reckon? It's only the second episode of startup company. I nearly lost what I was going to say. This is the second episode of a startup company. Do you think, right, social media, the global ranks in at number 11. Do you think the global social media platform will get into the top 3? Comment down below. Guys, if you want to enjoy today's video, smash a like on the video. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Click up here to watch the last video, and click down the bottom here to watch the last series of Transport Feed 2, guys. I will catch you all in Saturday's episode at 12 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Guys, with that said, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you then.